Hey guys, it's me again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be going over the numbers 1 to 10 in Igbo. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, turn on post notification. Now let's begin. So, 1 in Igbo means otu. 2 in Igbo means abụọ. 3 in Igbo means atọ. 4 in Igbo means ano. 5 in Igbo means ise. 6 in Igbo means isi. 7 in Igbo means asa. 8 in Igbo means asato. 9 in Igbo means itolu. You can also pronounce it as iteete. And then 10 in Igbo means iri. So let's try to go over it again. So I'm gonna start it in Igbo now. So it's otu, abụọ, atọ, ano, ise, isi, asa, asato, itolu or iteete, and then iri. So make sure to like, subscribe, and see you guys later. Turn on your post notification. Try to do that. Okay, so bye.